Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wishful Account, chapter 25. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chuyi and Xingyu, since the two of them are still on the mountain. Chuyi said, "We walk at the foot of the mountain again." Well, she was questioning, wherein we just halfway up the mountain. The goal of the old teachers today is to climb to the top of the mountain before the dark, but it seems that they really lost this time. The director suddenly popped out from nowhere and said, "You can only rely on your own legs." Davis, I wanted to chess. Well, Chui, she's being cute. Now, she's getting angrier again. But Sinyu, she's trying to calm her down. After speaking a few words, finally, she's been out. Teachers, time will not wait. Hurry off and start climbing the mountain. Now the director finally escaped. Chui said he actually slipped away. Well, as for now, they really can't do anything but just to climb the mountain again. I feel I've been tricked by the program crew again. An hour later, wow, this is my first time seeing a cow. Can I ride it? Chui, she's been excited and all of them seems to be arrived. Well, on the contrary, there's a lot of things that need to be done, especially attending the chicken, and also there's some snake. It seems that they're really afraid of while trailing the mountain. There's a lot of things that they're experiencing. But looking at these two, how long will it take to reach the top of the mountain? If you continue to mess with us, I will really withdraw my investment. Don't worry, it will be here soon, the director said. But 7 hours later, it seems that they're really not still at the top of the mountain. But after 80 minutes pass, finally, they already arrive at top of the mountain. Hoo, come on, I've already seen that pavilion. Well, Chui, at this moment, she's been excited seeing that pavilion. Well, they really reached the top of the mountain this time. And Chui, she looks really exhausted. Well, definitely, she was really tired about this. But looking at Sinyu, it seems that she has no sweat and she is calming down. Looking at the surrounding, it seems that the other two group is really exhausted and said they're really much more tired than practicing. Well, the other team, it seems to become soulless. They're really struggling to climb on top of the mountain this time. Well, roughly, they're really getting tired. But now, Chui, she's trying to call Sinyu. It seems that Sinyu is walking farther. And also, looking at her, she's not really in good condition. And also, she looks really exhausted. But Sinyu said to her, "The sunset is here. It's so beautiful." Oh, this girl, at this moment, she looks really happy. Finally, they're being on the Duff Mountain. Now, let's see on what will the crew will going to ask for then, since the three groups are already on the top mountain. Well, roughly, there's a challenge again that waiting for them. Chui, wow, it's really beautiful. She's been mesmerized by the top of the mountain and also by the sunset itself. The three groups finally, they've been watching the sunset. It was worth it for us to climb up here with so much effort, one of the girls said, but it seems that the three of them, or the three teams, has been finally on the top and they can really rest. But looking at Chui, she seems to be not happy. How about it? It was work that we right? Xingyu, she's trying to answer, but Chui, she becomes speechless. This girl, probably, she got really angry again, or something she really want to complain on. Finally climbed to the top of the mountain. Why don't we make a wish together, facing the sunset? Okay, I want to make a wish. Let our group reach the top and become the world's Tough one. Well, my wish at the stage is to be admitted to graduate school smoothly. I hope my work can get more recognition internationally. Changfang, just wait for me to rush abroad to find you. Well, it seems to be all of the two teams have their own wishes, but what about these two? What about Chui and Xingyu? Now, looking at the two girls, I'd better be more simple. How come my schoolmate wishes are so simple? They're all world class and international. Do you? You're not the same, are you? I'd rather be more simple. Xingyu said to Chui. So it seems that Shirley only wanted to wish a simple things. I won't go out. I'll just stand here and wait for the world to come to me. Oh, this girl. She become poetic, but she seems to be right. She don't need to rush over things, and also, she only wanted a simple things in life. Well, what about Chui? You're obviously more ambitious than them. Well, Chui, she seems to be teasing Sinyu. What about your wish? Sinyu asking Chui, but Chui, it seems to be diverting her attention, so at this moment, Chui, she was thinking, proudly, she can't really thinking about it just for now. This girl, also, she's really getting tricky. Proudly, she really want to tell something, or maybe another nonsense thing. Well, let's see if these three groups it's really gonna prevail this mountain. I hope our variety show will generate a lot of profit. Haha, someone is laughing. It turns out to be the sponsor mother. Well, everyone seems to be enjoying laughing together. Well, this sunset, it must really wonderful. And also, all of the three group are seems to be getting closer to each other. Thank you for your hard work. First of all, congratulations to everyone for successful reaching the top. And secondly, I have brought you a new task. The director, he was here again. Well, probably, it really must be a tough challenge. And also, the new task, it must be a little harder than this. Director, one of the girls said, my legs are filled with lead and I can't lift my arms. Don't assign me any more work. Take your time. Well, give us the break, the girls said, but the director it seems to be consistent on taking the task for them. Well, let's hope he can really give them a little rest for a while, so some of them can recuperate. Teachers, you can take break while listening to me. It's getting dark now, so we have to finish the task quickly. The first one is to make fire. The production team did not prepare a mobile light sources for everyone, so the task is to make fire. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!